Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change input's name on your TCL 32 V5C TV. From the home screen, navigate to the gear icon to open settings, then go to device preferences menu. Here select inputs. Then select the input that you want to rename, for example HDMI 1. Then select either one of the preset names you can see on this list. You can select any of them pressing the central D-pad button, or you can select custom name option and then provide a custom name into this field using an on-screen keyboard and your remote control to input the name. So for example, we can name this input PS5 and then press this icon to confirm, click OK, and right now this input will be renamed to PS5. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.